Are you a Sprint Cellular user? Have you accidentally deleted some of your texts and call logs, or do you want to know how to view your usage or the account activity? Well, this is the right video for you. Sit back and relax as we discuss ways to view Sprint calls and text logs. If you want to view the messages through the Sprint Cellular website, you must know that in 2020, Sprint Cellular and T-Mobile had a merger. Sprint was purchased and is now operated by T-Mobile. So, if you want to access your usage and account activity, you will have to do it on the T-Mobile website. We made a video on how to view those data on T-Mobile. Click the featured video above. Keep in mind that the site will only show the usage, phone numbers, time and date, and the status of the call or text. The content of your messages and other call information are not available. For further clarification, or if you have more concerns, you may mail the T-Mobile Customer Relations. You can also check out their Contact Us page. If you have accidentally wiped out your call history and text inbox, one way to view them again is to use a data recovery tool. And when it comes to that, iOS and Android data recovery are the best. These tools can easily restore all your deleted messages and call logs. Rest assured that all the data in the messages and logs will be restored successfully. Aside from texts and call history, these programs can also recover deleted contacts, images, videos, audio files, and more. One of the things we liked about these tools is their user-friendly interface. It only takes a couple of clicks to recover your data successfully. If the messages you want to view are someone else's, maybe your partner or your kids, then you can use a monitoring tool like mSpy. mSpy is the best tool when it comes to checking the safety of your kids and ensuring the loyalty of your spouse. This tool will give you access to their text inbox and call logs. You will see all the messages and calls they receive in real time. All the details of each call can be accessed, and you can also filter them by date. How cool is that? As for the messages, you'll be able to see the time, date, and details of the sender. The media files sent within the conversation can also be viewed as well. Aside from viewing texts and calls, mSpy can also give you access to other phone functions, such as the location, browsing activity, social media inbox, and more. All the links to the program we mentioned are in the description below. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. For more videos about data recovery and phone monitoring, subscribe to our channel.